Well, good afternoon, everybody. It is Tuesday afternoon. Hope everybody had a great Memorial Day. If you were out on the lakes, the weather was perfect this weekend. A little cloudy yesterday, but the sunshine was out from full force on Saturday and Sunday, as you can tell. All right, let's go ahead and talk about what's happening with Beryl. First and foremost, of course, in North Georgia. What is going on? Well, we've got some scattered showers now that are developing mainly to our north, and we've also got some down to the south as well. Let me go ahead and zoom in now to far north Georgia, and I want you to notice that the actual directionality now is beginning to change. Earlier today, the storms were actually rolling in from this direction, from the south and east. Now they're starting to come down in this direction, and that's all because of the way the orographics are set up. In other words, it's the a way that this system is pulling, if you will, all of the air in this direction. Now, here's what I'm talking about. Center circulation somewhere around Sandersville, just down to our south and east. So now everything rotates around the surface features, and I can go ahead and draw it. So you've got them coming in from the southeast now. As they move in this direction, that's where you can see them coming from earlier today. But now our winds are starting to get pulled in from North Carolina, so they actually blow up the Appalachians, kind of like what we saw last week, and head in our direction. Why does everybody want to mess with me when I'm on the web? Rich, our 7 o'clock producer, by the way. Anyway, so there you have it, and let me give you the latest on Beryl. Beryl's still a tropical depression. Center of circulation, at least in terms of the actual real circulation, a little bit farther north than what we've got from the 3 o'clock observation, actually the 2 o'clock observation. It's a little more to our north now, just about like what I said earlier, just down to our south and our east. And the motion is now towards the northeast, and it will continue to travel in that direction here 12 to 24 hours and be pretty much out of here by tomorrow. Here's the tropical track, and I'm moving to 8 o'clock Wednesday night off the coast of the Carolinas in Virginia, Chesapeake Bay, and then boom, out to sea, and there you have it. Adios to Beryl. Let's go ahead and check out our forecast track, and here's the way it's shaping up for tonight. Mostly cloudy skies, a couple spotty showers out there. Overnight tonight, we'll stay on the mostly cloudy side. Tomorrow, 1 or 2 showers possible, but for the most part, tomorrow will be dry with very warm temperatures. Tomorrow's going to actually get kind of toasty out there. Here we are tonight, 30% chance of rain through the evening hours. By about 8 o'clock, it'll be 75, 72 by 10 o'clock, and perfect outdoor weather later on this evening. I really think the chance of rain in metro Atlanta is pretty much almost gone, but we're keeping that 30% just in case. Of course, you can always go to the website and check out the latest forecast if you have any evening plans, and of course that is 1100life.com, which is probably where you're watching this one from. All right, so that does it for the weather. I have another update a little bit later on tonight. Until then, we'll talk to you later.